Lucky's Wills and Deals. We back at it again, man. Today is the day where we pick up the Monte Carlo. Y'all ready? Woo! Yeah, it looked way better with all the chrome and everything back on there. Oh yeah, look way better with all the chrome and everything back on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he forgot the weapons. I gotta see what he talking about with the damn door locks. Let me put the door lock on there. Put it on that side. Let's see why the other one is not on. Damn. Let's see what's going on. All right, y'all. So we added some transmission fluid in there.
Need a jump box.
All right. Get my jump box real quick. Jumping. I believe it will charge up. Just been sitting with the doors open. Should stay up.
This is negative, right?
Yeah. Is it ready?
Okay.
Now I want to stay. It purrs. I'll put that in the back of my truck. Oh, yeah, put it in the back of my truck. What's up? Yeah, guys, man, you picking it up, man. So that part is not on the other side because it's missing one little piece, which is this little chrome little piece. I mean, this little metal little piece that holds it together. So I'm gonna see if Unc got something laying around, but it's a work in progress, man. It's a work in progress, man. We getting it together. And yeah, man, let's get ready to hit the road and get up out of here. We're out here mobbing, riding. Man, I ain't driven this car in a whole goddamn year. A whole goddamn year I ain't driven this car. You know what I mean? We still got a long way to go, but man, it feels good to be back in the Monte Carlo, man. I have not driven this car in a whole goddamn year, man. Like, man. Oh, it's gonna sound better with the exhaust though. These cars need exhaust. It don't even sound right, just plain James. I'm trying to see what, man, we might have to get that interior redone. Yeah, we might have to get this headliner redone or something. I don't know. Yeah, I might have to get this shit redone or reconditioned or something. I don't know. Well, we ain't worried about that shit right now, man. So I'm gonna go take this to the muffler shop. We're gonna put the long tube headers on there. I got the flow masters already. We're gonna see if he can take care of this transmission leak while we over here. Acting like it don't want to really shift. Man, we just don't figure this shit out. Exactly like it don't want to shit, so I don't know if it's worth even fixing it. I have to take this to a transmission shop, you know what I mean? I think it's leaking pretty bad though. Oh, my truck. Oh yeah, my truck. Got baby bro up in there riding. You know what I mean? So man. Riding, mobbing, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited. Yep, I'm excited. I don't know about this goddamn transmission though. I don't know about the transmission. It might lube up, man. It probably just ain't been driven in a while. I don't know. We gotta stop that leak first. Okay. 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 You know what I mean? I like this carburetor intake setup. I ain't gonna lie, I can hear it. It's breathing, but it ain't fully breathing. It wants to breathe. I can hear it. Yeah. It makes me wonder and think maybe I should I'm gonna see how this feel. Then I might just put me intake and carburetor on that 73, man, and hold on to it. I don't know, man. Shit, it's only paper. You know what I mean? Lifting it up. Here go my long tooth heavy that I have. Gaskets, the bolts, all that. From Summit Racing. You know, a lot of y'all, and then I ordered these. Y'all asked me where I got the bumpers from and all that. Original Parts Group. Good. Alright, that is leaking right there. You said what? Yeah, all the way out the back.
All the way to the back.
Yeah.
And the end, what kind of tubes you want?
I was trying to find it. There's these tips that y'all guys put on the Chevelle. I kind of want to go with those tips. There's like these oval type. Let me see if I can find them. I'm trying to help them look for these tips. So yeah, guys, we're gonna fix this little transmission leak. I know a lot of y'all like, you need to fix that transmission. Yeah, we're gonna fix it. The thing is that when I dropped my car off, I didn't know it was gonna be sitting in the shop for a whole goddamn year, you know what I mean? So, got cobwebs up under here. That's how long I've been sitting, got cobwebs and some more stuff sitting up under here, man. So, we're gonna get this fixed. We're also gonna have them put a motor mount or transmission mount on that along with that, but hey, it is what it is, man. So this is kind of this shit rigged up. Hell no, this shit got to go. Got to go. Yeah, man, we about to get it in. I just want to show y'all what it looked like underneath and all that good stuff. So what we're gonna have him do is with the long tube header, do the full exhaust. I put in the same tips, basically the same setup I got on my Chevelle, except for without the X pipe. We're just gonna do running straight out the back. We're gonna do 2.5. You know what I mean? We need enough back pressure, so we don't want to go we don't want to put 3 inch. We put 2.5. So he gonna fix this leak for me or whatever. I don't know what the heck is going on. I don't know. That stuff look that stuff don't even look like it been changed. I don't know, that shit leaking. But yeah, and then I know like suspension wise, I know I gotta get some of this stuff fixed. Yeah, I don't know what parts or whatever. Control arms, I don't know. But we get into it, man. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, man. I'm about to go ahead and drop little bro off. Appreciate him helping me. But yeah, man, we gotta get to it, man. Yeah, guys, I think it look real good like that, man. It look real good. Yeah. All right, y'all. So, dang, got that big ass pit bull. Don't hit him. You know, I don't like goddamn people and they pit bulls. But anyways, guys, man, we got them out here. Look at the tips. I think they look good. I think they look good. I think they look real good. It goes with the car. It flows with the car. We still got to get this fixed. It needs that the little the little thing to hold it, they push I think that locks it or whatever. I think it goes like that or whatever to lock it and unlock it. But for the most part, we good, man. Crank this thing up. And we pop the trunk on them. Uh-oh, what is it? Okay. Don't scare me now. Well, let's crank this bad boy up. Let's hear what it sound like. Y'all ready? I don't know what it sound like. Let's see. Let's see. Those are new Flowmasters, by the way. Let me put. Oh, he gave me my old ass manifolds. Let me go ahead and put this in the trunk. All right. Close this thing. Woo! It's time to ride. It's time to ride, man. On the wild side. This the word. We got a long way to go with this car, y'all. A long way. Long way. But it's gonna be all right. It's got a long way to go. So it still got a little leak. So I'm gonna have to go to a transmission shop to have them fix it. It's on the side. And he said, he was being honest with me, he said he never did it before, so he didn't want to try to mess with it. He said he think it's pretty easy, but he did not. Let me see if I can find it. I think she sent me the video. Right there on the side. So fixing that little part. We get that little piece fixed, should be good. Like he said, he didn't feel like trying to attack it because he wasn't fully confident in it. Oh no, we're gonna close this door. Alright. We might have to clean this carpet up and dye it, shampoo it up and dye it. Then we go get a whole nother cap to this, sand all this shit down, clean all this up. We could probably clean all that up, or either paint this. We could get all this shit repaired. Change the steering wheel. Yeah, we probably change this, crack the back steering wheel. Probably go with something that I got in my Chevelle, something like that. Like I said, we getting closer to the fun part. I need to figure out what's up with this goddamn window motor. Might be able to get a little, bro. I think this. No, that's the. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let me get out of this goddamn intersection, man. Come on, man. Okay. We gotta get this. Sound good. Sounds real good. This goddamn transmission to get warmed up where it's shifting. But it seems now it seems like it's idling good. It crank right up. Get this bad boy on the highway. It's going my way. You know what I mean? Motherfucker clean though. This car clean in cleaned in the bitch, man. You know what I mean? The motherfucker clean, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta clean these seats up. I think we can clean these seats up real good. Fix that back panel. I think that thing might. I don't know. We might be able to wet that thing and fold it back. Yeah, I think we could clean it up and repair some of it. You know what I mean? One thing at a time, man. One thing at a time. We're mobbing over here, man. This thing's a little beast. What the hell that is, man? Woo! Ha ha! Got a cool little setup going on, man. Thought I had an armrest. I was trying to lean over and shit, man, like I'm cool or something, man. Should pull up on Unc right now. See where he at. Like, pull up, Unc. You don't want no. Unc don't want no smoke. Yeah, I think we're gonna change this steering wheel out. Well, it worked too. What? What? It worked. I don't know if this heater works. Let's see. I feel a little heat. I don't know if. Oh, it might not blow on high. It might blow on low. I'm liking how it sounds. Hey, finally, god damn it,